Hello, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to do a cream of asparagus soup. I love that soup. It's actually one of my favorites. Why? One, it feels very healthy. It's really yummy. But two, it has an 8-minute step. That's it. So from the time that I think I want a soup until I'm having it, okay, it could be like 10 minutes because I still have to add the ingredients at the beginning, but you'll see. We're gonna add everything, we're gonna chop, we're gonna start cooking, 8 minutes, and then done. So let's go and do it, okay? All right, so here we go. We're going to go to my week. Here, cream of asparagus soup. All right, let's say start cooking, zero it out. Okay, so 6 to 8 ounces of asparagus. Alrighty, so 6 to 8, let's see how much I have. Let's start adding. Let's see here. What are we at? 6.6. You know what? It's just a little bit more. Let's just do it, right? Okay, let's see. 8.4. Oops, it's okay. 6 to 8. All right, then we're going to cover it. And we are going to do 8 seconds, not temperature yet, and speed 4. Okay, let's do that. We're chopping. Okay, let me see what we did. Oh my goodness, it is chopped all right, huh? Okay, so now it's ready for the rest of the ingredients. Let's see what we want to do. 2 ounces of unsalted butter. Okay, here we go, 2 ounces. Then we have 2 ounces of flour. That's not a lot, so I have to be careful not to go over. All right, a little over, it's okay. I was over in the asparagus too, so it's okay, right? Now 3 ounces of the heavy whipping cream. There we go. And now we need 25 ounces of skim milk. That one away. All right, 25 ounces. I cannot see from here, so I'm on 14, that's good. And now we're almost at 25. Okay, good. Perfect. And now 1 heaping tablespoon of vegetable stock paste. So here we have a vegetable stock paste. If you haven't seen my video, there's a video where I'm making the recipe. It is a Thermomix recipe and it is so much healthier to use this than to use the bouillon, the mahi tablets, things like that. Because this one doesn't have preservatives. It has much more taste. You're gonna love it. So anyway, I forgot to bring the tablespoon, so I'll just do a couple of this of the teaspoon. Okay, here we go. I want a lot. I want a lot of flavor. A quarter of ground pepper. Okay, so now it wants me to place the simmering basket on top. So let's cover this because it wants to breathe. You see how it has a hole here? So instead of covering it, we're going to put the simmering basket so it can breathe a little while it's making that soup. And by the way, it's gonna start smelling amazing. 8 minutes, that's it, 8 minutes. At temperature 200 Fahrenheit and the speed is 2. So the blades are gonna move a little to kind of like move all the goodies we have in there. They're gonna go moving. We're doing 8 minutes while it's cooking. And I'm gonna go do a phone call, I'm gonna answer an email, or I'm gonna finish that series that I was watching last night. See you in 8 minutes. Okay, we're almost ready. I have here my plate already waiting. But really quick, I'm gonna look in the button preview. I'm gonna take a look and see what's next. Oh, next is just go ahead and eat it. That is awesome. Here we are. Let's see. We got my soup. I got my soup. Smells so good. I wish you were here. Pour into bowls and serve immediately. Okay, I will do that. Here we go. I cannot show too much right here, but I can show you how it pours and how nice it's gonna be. So here we go. Oh, and by the way, if I let it be, I'm gonna let it rest a little bit because right now it looks liquidy, but it's not. It's going to thicken in a little bit, okay? I need to let it, it's too hot. So probably I should not even try it while I'm here talking with you, but maybe I will. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a Thermomix in your life, let me know. Email me here. Thank you. Love it.